Dealing with difficult people. Have you ever dealt with difficult people? I bet you have. Even the greatest leaders have had to deal with difficult people. Let me share with you the story of Nelson Mandela. When Nelson Mandela was imprisoned, he realized he had no control over his terrible situation. And he had no control over the way guards and prison treated him. But instead of hating the guards, he chose to say kind words to them and to treat them with loving kindness. He thought about them with kindness and asked them about their lives. He made connections with them instead of isolating himself in the prison. Not only did this make his imprisonment more bearable, but in the end, the guards developed such loyalty that when he released from prison, one of the prison guards actually became his personal bodyguard. During my recent webinar with Thai Mumbai, I was asked about the same question from the participants: how to deal with difficult or toxic people at work. In the ideal world, we would all have amazing managers, bosses who helped us succeed, and everything in our workplace would be right. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. Do you remember anyone at your workplace who is a micromanager, has anger problems, shows favoritism, is a workplace bully, or just not competent? Still, you must make the best of the situation and get your job done, as quitting the position may not always be the right answer. Sometimes it is nearly impossible to avoid working with extremely difficult people. Such people and situations can have a direct impact on your motivation, morale, and definitely well-being. So how can we get along with those who just plain get on to your nerves? Here are a few tips. Number 1. Start out by examining yourself first. Check yourself and ask how you might be contributing to the issue at hand. For example, is the problem the other person's action or your reaction? Ask yourself truthfully, are you overreacting in any way? Number 2. Don't return anger with anger. Raising your voice, pointing your finger, or speaking disrespectfully to the other person will add fuel to an already heated situation. Explore, what are you experiencing? Most of us end up spending valuable mental and emotional and physical energy just in thinking of situation over and over again in our heads. Step up and approach challenging people with compassion and understanding. The third tip is use the practice of loving kindness. Instead of being defensive, see the difficult person as a fellow human being. She has ambition like you, has emotions like you, has friends and family like you, also gets hurts like you. Try to understand where they are coming from. Are they simply trying to defend their position or doing their job? What does that person need that he or she is not getting? Perhaps they want to be seen, heard, acknowledged, or recognized just like you. So, extend your compassion and kindness to them. Wish them, may they be happy, may they be well, may they be safe, may they be peaceful. I can bet that they will remember you for your maturity and kindness for the rest of their lives.